But my problem is, how are we going to test if it's soluble or... Okay, so would you agree that silver chloride is insoluble?
It actually gives you our solubilities here, so we can look at the solubility table, can't we?
Yeah,
So
that's what I'm trying to open up for you right now. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna work out if it's soluble, which one of them is soluble and which one is not.
Yep.
So which one do you think is sparingly soluble and which one of them is soluble to no extent?
Soluble, so I reckon the silver chloride is the insoluble one.
Why is that?
The vastly insoluble one is silver sulfate.
Why do you think that?
Because it's the solubility, so the KSP is smaller for silver chloride than it is silver sulfate.
All right, I like that logic.
Okay, so sparsely soluble. Because they're both silver, and silver is very not soluble. So that's pretty much. Okay. Epic. Now we have to do 14. Calculate the molecular solubility of
Okay, wait.
chloride.
So, actually, looking at the question, I don't agree with you. So.
You don't think?
No. So I just thought about. So that's why I was quiet for a second because I was thinking about it. So remember tracking back to like 3 weeks ago, we talked about the KSP. And what's important to remember that KSP, the higher the KSP value, the more soluble a compound is.
Yeah, but isn't like
So
-5 larger than number than minus?
I agree. Silver sulfate will be more soluble than silver chloride.
Yeah.
Perfect. So remember that rule. Oh, sorry. Okay.
That's what we said before.
Cool. Perfect. So that's just the rule. The higher the KSP, the more soluble our compound's going to be.
Yep.
Perfect. Okay, good. Just making sure. That's what I was like thinking for 30 seconds. I was like, I have to say it correctly. All right, let's continue. We've got time. Let's do 14, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, 14 is again working out S. So we're going to do 14 together, and then you can do 15 by yourself because it's literally the exact same format again. Yeah?
Yep.
Perfect. Because I have to give you some homework, and that's going to be homework. All right, 14. We have KSP value again. If I could type to save my life. KSP is 1.7 times 10 to the negative 5. Do you agree with me?
Yep.
Perfect. So our compound or molecule is PB. I really need to get my glasses. Cl. Do you agree?
Yep.
Perfect. So let's work out the S values for the ions.
Yep.
So what are they going to be?
So
firstly, let's write the equation. You didn't stop me.
Yes, we should do that, yeah.
Right.
Okay, so we have PB, PB.
2 plus?
Yep, 2 plus. And then chloride. Is it chloride? Yeah, chloride. Minus, Cl minus. And to make, we have to have 2 to make it balanced. Okay, that's fine.
Perfect. So is it balanced now?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, now we can work out a S. Come on, you need to keep me on your toes.
Yeah. My cat's about to get up. Go away, Callie. So then we have PB, which is S.
Yeah,
and then
perfect.
Cl. 2s squared.
Oh my god, dude. Perfect. You've got the hang of this. You realize this.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Good. All right. Let's do this. KSP value, which we have been already given.
Yeah. Equals our s squared.
So it's going to be
Equals
4s cubed. Do you agree?
Yes.
Perfect. Now, we need to make s the subject of the formula. How are we going to do that?
Subject of calc, so we need to divide by 4.
Yep. I'm going to type that in.
My cat's just gotten up. I wish I could show you, but I can't.
You have a cat?
He's very cute. Yeah, he's very cute.
All right. Do you agree with me with that statement that I just typed out?
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's continue. What's our next step?
Now we have divided by 4.
On that? Yeah.
What did it equal? Oh, it was that. Okay, cool. So then we have to, don't we have to divide the 1.7 times 10 to the negative 5 by 4?
Yep, we've done that. Remember, can you see we've got that right here? See?
What do you mean? But that's just our s. That's our s.
That's s cubed. So what do we need to get s? How are we going to find s?
S cubed. So square root.
No, not square root.
Cube root.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So s is going to equal, oops, my calculator. All right, so
We need to find what, yeah, we need to divide 1.7.
Yep, I've already done that.
5. Yep. And then you also need to cube root that as well.
I'm going to get, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4.25 times 10 to the negative 6. Yep. So
yeah.
S is going to equal
Yep.
You agree?
Yep. Sounds
Perfect.
good to me.
Done. All right. So we're up to 16.
Yes. Yes, we just did 15, didn't we? No, we did lead. Oh, that's right. We're skipping the other one.
Yeah,
Okay,
because remember the ones
16.
that are pretty much the exact same. You've got the methodology. That could be homework.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.